congresso ISIAD di Budapest i temi trattati sono stati molti. Tra questi il professor Henrotin dell'Università di Liège in Belgio ha parlato di alcune innovazioni che si stanno mettendo a punto in ambito di viscosupplementazione.
Professor Henrotin, which are the most important innovation in terms of viscosupplementation?
During this Congress, I will have the pleasure to present two innovations. The first one is a new chitosan hydrogel, which have demonstrated efficacy to block the progression of OA in the rabbit. And secondary, I will have the pleasure to present clinical trials in which we have monitored the effect of HA viscosupplements using biomarkers, and by this way we have demonstrated that HA can downregulate it, can have chondromodulators effect on cartilage catabolism.
Okay, let's start to chitosan. What is chitosan and which are the data about this drug?
Chitosan is a polysaccharide composed by glucosamine and N-acetylglucosamine, and this chitosan is a key advantages comparing to HA viscosupplement. The first one is that this gel is thermosensitive. This means that the gel is liquid at room temperature and become a viscous solution at body temperature. This is really a key advantage because thanks to this advantage we can use minimally invasive needles, and by this way we could use these gels for the treatment of a small needle of small joint like hand OA. Secondary, this gel is also a bioadhesive, show antioxidant activities by scavenging free radicals, and I think that based on that we could imagine that this gel will be in the future a breakthrough in the field of viscosupplementation.
Let's move to biomarkers. Which are the most important biomarkers in this area and which are the data?
Yes, at this time, for the evaluation of HA viscosupplementation, we use mainly clinical outcomes. And so now we have the possibility with new biomarkers, and mainly biomarkers coming from type 2 collagen molecules to monitor the effect of HA viscosupplement to the cartilage catabolism. And recently we have demonstrated that cross-linked HA, the cartilage cross, can regulate the catabolism of cartilage in patients with knee osteoarthritis. This is the first time that we demonstrate that HA can decrease the cartilage catabolism compared to a saline solution injection, and I think this is really interesting because this is the first time that we demonstrate a metabolic response of HA viscosupplements in human clinical trials.